Hello guys, Axto here. Today we're going to be looking at a singular module today by Emic, which is reformed role reversal. So if you play regular role reversal, you know that you have to give the rules to the viewer who has what
All available
the module
experts,
would be,
please report to room A9.
and then they tell you what to cut. This is basically the same sort of concept, but a lot more variable. So, first, note that the navigation buttons will change between modules. So in this case, up and right are the scrolling pages. These two will take you into submission, so be careful. This is down and right, and this is left and down. So let's use. Okay, so we now up is what takes us to the next page, and this one will take us backwards. Okay, so you might have seen this thing. This is our seed number. If you put a regular reversal, this might be weird because you can see letters here. Well, this is because it's in base 36, or in this case, base 42. Yes, the bases will change between them as well. So this module is a lot about reading carefully. So look at the screen and locate the seed. Here it is. So we can type the seed in here. The capitalization matters here. So Bravo, Oscar, 2, Alpha, Mike, Quebec. The type in base, which is 36. You're given this number. Add 0 to the right of the number, 9 digits. We already have 9 digits, so we know how to do that. Take the seed modulo 4 and add 3. So type in 4 here, give you 2, add 3, we have 5. Take the leftmost X digits. This might say rightmost, be careful with that. You should look up 5, which you type in here, will give us what each one corresponds to. So taking the leftmost X digits, so 70554.
All personnel, please return to your stations.
And using this table, we can see that this corresponds to blue, plum, navy, and lavender. Okay, next page. Jump to the same conditions. So this is same as regular role reversal, where you just move to the screen talking about the amount of wires. When trying to put one, add the wires to the right, sometimes you ask you to add them to the left instead. So unincluded, for anyone that was both from the base 10 seed, this one, that wasn't included and it doesn't share a colour. So, as we see here, this 5 is not unincluded because there are already 5s used, but the 8 is because there's no other 8s used currently. Okay, so there is one extra rule that can appear, which is that we talk about. It might tell you to append wires, or append wires, but it might say, but this is faulty. It actually wants you to delete the wires. So there are a lot of small rules that you have to be careful of. So I would say take this module slow rather than try to hastily go through it. Okay, so we know there's 5 wires, so we can press the screen to jump to each one. So now 5 wires first condition. If there are at least 3 total modules, including needy, so we have 3 reformed reversals. It's good to condition 3. That means even if condition 2 would have been true, we ignore it. If a sky wire is directly right with lepis wire, we don't have either of those, so we can skip that. If a navy and plum wire lay adjacent to each other, they do. Cut the wire to the right of the first matching pair. So the wire to the right of the first matching pair is going to be this one. So we can go to 7 mode, go to 4, and then press the screen to submit. The first matching pair in this case was referring to the pair, not the two navies. If it was referring to these two, the rule body would have also been about if there are two navies. Okay, let's go on to the next one. So, and the seeds will always be on the same side. So this one, it was on that side, on the right hand side, but this is now on the left hand side, as you can see with this one as well. So let's find it again. So 2-6, Quebec Zulu, Bravo 2, in base 42 this time. Again, 9 digits, so we don't have to do anything. Take the seed modulo 5, which is 2, and add 3. So, finally, we have 5 again. Got X. Take the rightmost C here. So, in this case, we could be using these digits rather than the first few digits. And you look up 9. Convert these. So, this time we have Sky, 2 navies, again, Blue, and Lapis. Is it the same thing as normal? We're told to discard wires referred to the set of conditions about the new amount of wires. This is what I was talking about. The term append is faulty and broken. It is append included with discard. So if it takes you to append 3, you actually remove 3. And this is why he's told us here. Okay, so let's go to the... If indicator is showing the letter in the word roll, we have IND NSA. So we can type these in here. If you're using upper plus plus. ROLA. Do we have any matching letters? No. So this is false, so we now go to condition 2 rather than skipping. If indicators showing a letter in roll or D batteries do exist, this all means one or the other. Since we already know that indicators don't share a roll, and we can see D batteries do not exist, we only have double A's. We can skip to the next one. If all wires aren't unique, excluding one of them, so this could be confusing. This means if you can't remove one and all of them are still not unique, then this is true. But since we can remove one of these ones and now we think is unique, this is not true. So we go to the next rule. If there aren't any magenta wires, this is true. Cut the first bluish wire. The first bluish wire is the first one. So go to submission mode, wire 1, and the module is solved. Okay, here's the final example. Seed. See, this is a lowercase j this time, and this matters. So 1W lowercase j, 3 lowercase c, uppercase D, so we can know that this base is probably going to be significantly larger than previous ones. Okay, base 52 this time. Again, 9 digits. It might switch what side you need to stick zeros on, I think. Take the seed modulo 3, 0, and add 6, so we have 6 wires. Take the leftmost, so we're taking left from the left again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then using lookup 3, we can convert these into lavender, plum, sky, magenta, teal, and violet. Okay, let's move on to the next page. This is the same as it. Okay, so we now know that append included is broken again. So we're going to be discarding no matter what, basically. So let's go to 6. If lit indicators and unique ports don't exist, or lit indicators and unique ports do exist. So let's go to the next rule. If there's not exactly 3 numbers in the serial number, we have exactly 3. So this is false. So moving on to the next condition. If a car indicator or an FAQ indicator exists, we have ID and ASA, so no. If all wires are unique, they are. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6, no repeats. Cut the wire with the lowest value, that is the sky wire, which is the 3rd wire. So let's go to submission mode, set it to 3, and that's a solve module. So I hope you have a better idea of how to solve reformed row reversal. Granted, this module is a lot more difficult than the regular row reversal because, if I recall correctly, row reversal's rules don't change between modules, so. But these ones will change every time. So just take it slow, be careful with any of the rules just in case append unincluded is broken, or you're appending to the right or the left. But anyway, that's been a tutorial. Hopefully you know how to do reform reversal, and I'll see you guys in the next video.